Hindus are the descendants of the oldest civilization on earth. This is evidenced in the Saraswati Sindhu civilization that has evolved in Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Lothal and Dholavira, enduring changes and challenges to become what it is today. Numbering over 1.2 billion spread across the world, modern Hindus, drawing upon their ancient heritage, have much to offer humanity in all fields, resulting in harmony, peace and prosperity for all. In the fields of economy, education, governance, youth, culture and arts, Hindus have shone brightly. The World Hindu Congress provides a platform where Hindu leaders, activists, thinkers and influencers come together. Here, new avenues open up to address areas of strategic importance. The inaugural World Hindu Congress 2014 was held in New Delhi, themed Sangachadvam Samvadadvam, bringing together 1,800 delegates from 53 countries. World Hindu Congress 2018 was held in Chicago, themed Sumantrite Suvikrante. It saw more than 2,500 delegates from 60 countries, making it a landmark event towards creating a global Hindu footprint.
I am extremely happy today that I am able to come here, participate in this historic conference.
Concept and having this frame of mind can be pursued.
Hindu empires were there. Those influences are still visible. And strangely, those influences are cherished by the local population. That never happens.
Enormous amount of time as chair of the World Hindu Congress. I want to tell you about
Young Hindu leaders here from over 60 countries, and I believe we have an extraordinary opportunity to shape the dialogue about Hindus going forward and change the perception of Hindus as very positive change makers wherever they may be in the world today.
Bharat and Thailand, along with Southeast Asia, share common dharmic and cultural values which find expression in language, arts, architecture and tradition. Grand visible symbols of a shared heritage can be seen in Brihadishwara Temple, Bharat, the Grand Palace, Thailand, Prambanan, Indonesia, Cham Temples, Vietnam, Wat Po, Laos, Angkor Wat, Cambodia, and Batu Caves and Kadaram, Malaysia. The World Hindu Congress 2023 will be held in Bangkok, Thailand, with the theme Jayasya Ayatnam Dharma, Dharma, the abode of victory. The World Hindu Congress will include 7 thematic parallel conferences. These articulate expressions of Hindu values, creativity and talents in diverse areas. World Hindu Economic Forum, Hindu Educational Conference, conducted by Hindu Education Board, Hindu Media Conference, conducted by Hindu Media Forum, Hindu Political Conference, conducted by World Hindu Democratic Forum, Hindu Youth Conference, conducted by Hindu Students and Youth Network, Hindu Women Conference, conducted by Hindu Women Forum, and Hindu Organizational Conference, conducted by Hindu Organizations, Temples and Associations Forum. The World Hindu Congress enables shared values, glorious futures. New solutions spring from these collaborations, leading to progress and prosperity of Hindus and betterment of all humanity. The World Hindu Congress 2023 in Bangkok is an event not to be missed. Delegates should be committed to working for Hindu resurgence. All organizations, associations and institutions are encouraged to participate and are welcome to become partners in making this event a resounding success. Register now as delegate to this milestone event. Visit our website www.worldhinducongress.org and register today.